Mockplus is a powerful, all-in-one design, prototyping, and collaboration tool that helps teams streamline their design and development workflow. It is particularly useful for creating wireframes, prototypes, and user interfaces for web and mobile applications. Whether you're a designer, developer, or part of a product team, Mockplus provides an intuitive platform to collaborate and bring ideas to life efficiently. Getting started with Mockplus. Sign up. Visit the Mockplus website and create a free account or choose one of their subscription plans for additional features. Installation. Mockplus is available as a desktop application and a web-based platform. Interface overview. Workspace. The main design area where you create projects, designs, and prototypes. Toolbox. Found on the left side of the interface, offering various design elements such as shapes, components, text, images, and interactions. Properties panel. Displays design element properties and allows for customization such as color, size, position, and more. Preview mode. Enables you to test prototypes and interact with designs. Creating designs. Drag and drop interface. Easily add shapes, lines, images, text, buttons, and other elements to your design using a simple drag and drop interface. Components. Use reusable components to maintain consistency across designs. You can create custom components and libraries. Interactive prototypes. Add interactions, animations, and links to elements to simulate user flow and test usability. Collaboration features. Team collaboration. Share projects with team members for feedback and collaboration. Multiple users can edit and review designs simultaneously. Commenting. Add comments directly on designs for real-time feedback and discussions. Version history. Keep track of changes made to prototypes and return to previous versions if necessary. Exporting designs. Export options. Once your designs are complete, Mockplus allows you to export them as images or interactive prototypes for sharing with developers or clients.